Question tags. A question tag is a short question at the end of a statement. We often use question tags when we want the listener to agree with our statement. Examples: She is a good teacher, isn't she? He is not a good driver, is he? Present simple. You eat chapati, don't you? He eats chapati, doesn't he? You are a student, aren't you? He is the manager, isn't he? Present continuous. You are coming, aren't you? She is participating, isn't she? Present perfect. You have drunk tea, haven't you? She has drunk coffee, hasn't she? Past simple. You ate the cake, didn't you? She ate the cake, didn't she? You were students, weren't you? He was the manager, wasn't he? Past continuous. You were speaking, weren't you? She was going home, wasn't she? Past perfect. You had drunk tea, hadn't you? He had drunk coffee, hadn't he? Future simple. You will give me money, won't you? She will come tomorrow, won't she? You will be there by 5, won't you? He will be here by 5:30, won't he? Future continuous. You will be sleeping, won't you? He will be doing yoga, won't he? Future perfect. You will have gone, won't you? She will have arrived, won't she? Present simple. You don't eat chapati, do you? He doesn't eat chapati, does he? You're not a student, are you? She is not the manager, is she? Present continuous. You're not coming, are you? She is not participating, is she? Present perfect. You have not drunk tea, have you? He has not drunk coffee, has he? Past simple. You didn't eat the cake, did you? She didn't eat the cake, did she? You were not students, were you? He was not the manager, was he? Past continuous. You were not speaking, were you? She was not working, was she? Past perfect. You hadn't drunk tea, had you? He hadn't drunk coffee, had he? Future simple. You won't give me money, will you? She won't come tomorrow, will she? You won't be there by 5, will you? He won't be here by 5:30, will he? Future continuous. You won't be sleeping, will you? He won't be doing yoga, will he? Future perfect. You won't have left, will you? She won't have arrived, will she? Modal verbs. You can swim well, can't you? You can't drive a car, can you? He can swim well, can't he? He can't swim well, can he? We should go there, shouldn't we? We shouldn't go there, should we? Let's go to the beach, shall we? Wait a minute, can you? If you think this video is useful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.